What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing these Hikari LED lights on the CRV. Usually not a big fan of LEDs because they don't really do that well at night, but these ones are supposed to be pretty good. This is brand new, 2020. Got it from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. So it's a fan, pretty much for cooling. Should be direct plug and play. So, and the CRV 17 to 20 uses a H11. So these are H11. And there's a box that it comes with, paperwork and everything. So let's get this installed. So this is your stock halogen. So let's get this installed. Looks like the CRV is a fairly easy install because you have easy access. This is on the right side. On the left side you have access right here too. So it should be a fairly easy install. So to pull out the light bulb, get the connector, push the bottom and slide it out. Then you have the bulb left over. Just twist it over. I'll come right out. Bulb. And I put it in the same way. It is longer. Put it in and twist it to the right. That went in pretty easily. Now you just have to plug these in. Just plug the wires in, just gonna leave it there and do the same thing on the other side. What's in the box that you got, now you can keep it safe. Nice. So the fan, you can hear the fan. There's the new LED. Works like a champ. I'm gonna have to take it for a drive at night and see how the light is. Here it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll put some night footage in there so you guys can see how it looks at night. Pretty impressed with it. It's a new product, so we'll give it a try. Check out the description if you want to purchase one, and subscribe for more. Ooh, look nice. I'm pretty impressed with this light. This thing is bright. Watch this. I'm gonna turn it off. Man, it's a good cutoff line too. So there's that. Turn it off. Look at that thing. Actually pretty impressed with this. That's the main reason why I didn't want to change it over to LED, because I didn't think it was going to be this bright. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. It lights up the road pretty good. Look at that. So I don't even have the fog lights on. There's fog lights on, off, LED. It has a good spread. The cutoff line's pretty good too. Let's see. Look at that thing, so bright. All right, so I'll definitely recommend this. All right guys, subscribe, let me know I'll put the link in the description, so if you're trying to buy one, worth it, easy, plug and play. Till next time, comment, subscribe.